Eggnog. It's muy delicioso. Guys, welcome back to the Good View Woodworks channel. I bet you're thinking to yourself, what does eggnog have to do with woodworking? And I'll get to that in a minute. First off, those of you who have subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so much, but I also want to apologize. I haven't posted up a video in the past week and a half, and I just wanted to let you guys know that really, in all honesty, this buffet table is kicking my butt, especially time-wise, because I have a lot of commitments and outside of my shop here, and I've been kind of slacking on getting enough content for you guys. I will be coming out with a new video, an update for that this weekend. So guys, I'm sorry for not posting a video last week. Now, let's get to the part about how eggnog fits in with woodworking. So the other day, my wife and I were walking through Walmart. Just hanging out, you know, having a nice Walmart date. And when I say the other day, this was probably a week or two before Halloween. And we walked past the refrigerated section, and what do we see? We see eggnog. I couldn't believe it. I was like, this is the middle of October. It's not even close to Christmas and they have eggnog. However, I love eggnog, so it was actually pretty cool. Well, the eggnog got me thinking. The holiday season is going to be here really soon, which in turn put me in the Christmas spirit, and I want to do another giveaway for you guys. So I'm recording this video for you because I have a couple of questions. I want to give away something that you guys want. So I was thinking about giving away a coffee table, but I'm not sure what kind of coffee table you guys would like to have. Would you like an epoxy table like I did in the previous video? Would you like a river table? Or maybe something more modern, like a faux, using epoxy, making a faux marble table with some modern legs. I don't know, you tell me. Let me know down in the comments section what you guys want. What kind of table would you like for me to give away? And remember, the more you guys comment, the more ideas, the more I can see, the more data I will have to pick the right type of coffee table. Would you guys be interested in getting something like that? Let me know. Also, if this is your first time here, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to the Good View Woodworks channel. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, and also ring the bell to the right of the subscribe button so that you will get notified anytime I post a new video. Thanks for being a part of the Good View Woodworks channel. I really appreciate your support. And as always, thanks for hanging out with us.